Okay, it is July the 3rd, 2026. It is Friday, around 5:30? Something like that. 90s, cloudy, humid, muggy, hot. So, we've got several people interested in the Jeep. I really hate selling this Jeep. I bought it new in April of 95, but I haven't had it on the road since April of 25 when the insurance came due. It needed tires. I didn't want to pay insurance on it and that kind of stuff. So we decided to go ahead and turn it. And if, trying to keep it, and I got this one to replace as a spare parts, but it turned out to be such a nice van. Got it to use for parts for the 2000. But I think we're going to start driving that 98, and then we bought the 2019. We've got too many vehicles. We've got to turn some. I've got this 98 for sale as well, but I think I'm going to keep it and sell the 2019. But you can't keep all these things on the road. I can't drive it one at a time, and they're charging insurance on all of them. But anyway, we have someone coming to look at the Jeep tomorrow, and if it sells, you never know whether it'll sell or not, but if it does, we are going to go shopping. We're going to renew our FAA drone certification, get us another drone. We may get us another underwater drone. We're going to find us a folding portable piano for me to practice, learn, bang on, drive y'all crazy with. And I'm not sure what else we'll do. Take some of the money and put into the stock market. So yeah, that's another thing. It's been sitting here. It's just money sitting here tied up. This money needs to be working for us. So we will be doing reviews of our new products, unboxing and reviews, and then videos with the new products. So we will convert this static asset into a dynamic asset. And start generating a little bit of capital. Okay, that'll be the plan for tomorrow. We'll get out in the morning early. Well, the first thing, we're going to clean the Jeep out. We have stuff in there. We'll get it cleaned out, maybe pull it down to the shop, rinse it off, and then we'll get out and maybe do some 4th of July video. Maybe drive through Athens, Jefferson, do a Jefferson video. We have a request for it. Do a Jefferson video in the city cemetery in Jefferson. And then I don't know where we'll branch off to, but we'll do something. So follow along and share. Like and share. Subscribe. Yeah, we'll be selling one of these vans, either this one or the 1998. I like this extended. It's got more room, but there's several things we'll have to do to work on it to get it set up for a camper van. And this thing, I don't have the knowledge. I don't have the test equipment. I don't know how to work on a lot of this stuff. With that 98 and the 2000, I can keep working on them. But this is a very good van itself. I'm going to want about 15 for it. Okay, well, let's go in here and get this video uploaded. Look, there's the shop cat. Look at her, she's watching. Sitting down there on the power box. Oh yeah. Frank's still working on his El Camino. Still has a good bit to do on it. We'll update you on that. There's little hootie owls up there on his skeleton and wheelchair. Little hootie owls. Yeah, he's working on his 1959 Chevrolet Dash, the instrument panel. Getting the gauges and the instruments, the lights, the wiring, and everything set up. Got the intake on, radiator and condenser in, computer, wiring, power brake. His AC system, he's got it, wired, or, got it plumbed a little bit. And then, of course, the 59 Chevrolet Dash. That is so neat, the way he had to cut, I think, about 4 inches off of each side. And, putting the vents in up here. He's done a lot of fabrication on this stuff. Frank does a lot of fabrication. Yeah, but that is going to be so neat. 59 Chevrolet Dash and a 80 model El Camino. 69 Camaro gear shift. Okay, well, now we wrap this one up. This is his grandson's motorcycle. They've been working on it some. And the gear again, 64 SS Chevell hubcaps that came off my 64 SS 327. They're for sale. The 5-fish is for sale. This is a very good underwater drone, but I haven't been able to control it. It's a professional drone, and I'm not a professional. We need to sell it. Need to sell these 2 Phantom 4 Pros and Phantom 4 Pro Plus. Got a bunch of stuff for sale, folks. Give me a call. We're open for business.